What if your home reflected your new lifestyle? Sosna will take care of you. Come take a look what we can do. Hi there, my name is Andrei. I am the owner of Sosna, and I wanted to showcase our recent project. Well, maybe not so recent. We finished it several years ago, but never got around to filming it until now. So this home was pretty much completely remodeled, and this is the kitchen that we've built. Because house is long but narrow, we had to come up with some creative design solutions how to build the kitchen so that it fits the footprint and yet doesn't feel small. That's why you can see this unusual shape island that we've created. It is very large. It took a couple of slabs of stone to put it together, and it was difficult to match the veining on this because this is a natural stone granite. It's called leather finish. It's very nice finish. It looks like leather. It was challenging to marry together two pieces of stone so that they look symmetrical. Our clients liked traditional style, and we matched natural wood here with painted elements. Entire kitchen was built with plywood cabinetry and dovetail joinery that you can probably see here. So it's a very strong kitchen. And we have a little bit of an area here, a little study area. A little pantry here behind the sliding doors. Let's go to the living room. This is a dining room that we incorporated with a nice chandelier, plaster ceiling with plaster moldings. Again, they were handmade and installed. It took us a while to design these elements with the drapery and crown molding around the windows. All of these crown moldings were also incorporated specifically for the size of the windows. We have a nice fireplace here, and these very rare green colors, it was very difficult to install. It took us probably 4 or even 5 coats of paint to paint these walls. As you can see, they're a little bit different color. This is darker, this is lighter, different sheen. And green color is very tough to paint because primer and drywall bleeds through. So it took quite a bit of an effort to make this room look pretty. Let's go to the staircase. The staircase was dressed up with new custom-made handrails. These pickets were custom built, custom fabricated. So this is the stairs with oak treads and with a flare design. As you can see, let's go to the master bedroom. So this is a primary bedroom. We also tried to keep it in a traditional style. That's why we incorporated this trim and a wallpaper inside of this trim to give it a traditional look. Nice spacious walk-in closet with lots of storage and a big island. Going into primary bathroom, that's a large spacious bathroom with lots of custom features here. Starting with this mirror and with this piece of marble. This is a natural marble. Spacious shower with a bench, with a linear drain. This element inside of the shower represents the rug idea on the floor. It electrically heated towel warmer and a nice tub. This tub, it took 6 people to bring this tub upstairs because it weighs quite a few hundred pounds. All right, on to the next area that we wanted to show is nice large skylight that we put in. It's a circular skylight with plaster moldings all the way up to the peak of the roof. So it was fun insulating this in the attic, but we got it done. Let's go on to the next bathroom. This is another bathroom that we did. We call it a French style bathroom with this nice subway tile inside of the shower. Again, crown moldings, vanity, and we incorporated a closet. We also installed a front door that is quite unique. It weighs 750 pounds, and we actually had to put in 2 steel beams all the way up to the top, to the roof. to support this wall laterally because the door is so heavy. It took probably 6 or 7 people to install this door because it's all made with iron. It's very, very, very heavy door. If you like to let in some fresh air. Family room. We wanted to maintain a light pastel colors here and resemble a little bit of green with the living room. So everything here, you see the drapes, the rug, the wall paint has a tint of pastel green in it. Added the fireplace, and we added this cabinetry for storage for children to place their toys possibly or whatever is necessary for the kids and for the display. We also built an office for someone to work during the daytime in the house. We built this cabinetry with tons of storage, pull out. We built this tabletop, custom built with wood. This wood was actually more than 100 years old. It was immersed in the water for many years. So we extracted it from the water, put it together, dried it, and we built this live edge custom office table. This is probably the most used room in the house, a mud room / laundry room. We have designed it in a way that it could be used by a family with children as a mud room and as a laundry room at the same time. We have washer and dryer here integrated into the cabinetry. Very tall cabinetry with lots of storage. We were so inspired with a French style bathroom that we decided to mimic it here a little bit in the laundry room with this backsplash tile. We installed a porcelain tile here on the floor just for practicality. As you enter the house from the outside, it's easy to clean, it's not porous, it's low maintenance. So this room offers a lot of storage, a lot of things to hide, and you do need a ladder because ceilings are so high to get to the top. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending this time with me. Please call us and talk to us if you have any plans for renovating or updating your home and to match your style. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. No obligation. We'll be happy to talk, to provide advice, to give you recommendations. Sometimes this recommendation could mean not to do the renovations because they are costly and involve a lot of work, but we will be happy to review your situation with you and come up with the right plan of action. Thank you.